species. The males can be identified by the backward sweep of their horns. Pretty in pink would sum up the appearance of these greater flamingos. Now strangely, the pink coloration comes from the chemicals called carotenoids species. The males can be identified by the backward sweep of their horns. Pretty in pink would sum up the appearance of these greater flamingos. Now strangely, the pink coloration comes from the chemicals called carotenoids. Now once again, just a gentle reminder, please, no flash photography, alright? Alright, not to worry, most of the crocodiles in Singapore are vegetarians. Giant yam plants. With their wide leaves, they provide shelter to much smaller animals such as deer. Also on the same side, we have the elephant grass, which can grow up to 4 meters in length, easily concealing a large-sized animal such as an elephant. This is the Indian rhino, also known as the greater Asian rhinoceros. Now the one that you're looking at there is a full-grown female. The Indian rhino is also the most prehistoric looking of all rhino species, so pay very close attention to its skin. It may appear to be rough and tough and can grow up to 5 centimeters. And coming up to your right, here we have a herd of axis deer. They're simply the most beautiful of all Asian deer species. They are also known as cheetahs, and in numbers are the largest of all Asian deer species and are favored by hunters because of their size and ability to run swiftly through forests. Now once again, ladies and gentlemen, please, I need you to switch off the flash functions on your cameras, alright? It is for your own safety, especially for those of you in the second tram.
The males are larger than the females. You all look tired, the animal comes out, look at you, they will get tired. Then we call this tired show, okay? Alright, come on. Ladies and gentlemen, the rain has stopped. There's no rain right now, you should be smiling. Come on. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Welcome to Christmas Night Presentation, proudly adopted by you. Before we start the show, there's some things I need to tell you. Now, if you're taking pictures of beautiful animals, please switch off your flashes. And these are nice animals and then not these are bright flashes. Because for those of you with the video cam, the spotlight film, using this those animals are coming out from all over the amphitheater. Are you excited? Don't lie. You all look like it's very normal to see animals are running around. Huh? For instance, Hevia and Lavender, they're the males. Ladies, some support! Come on, give it up, girls! Come on, girls! Alright.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. 안녕하세요. Konnichiwa. Namaste. your cooperation.